Hello, my friend. Today I want to share a heartfelt story with you. It's a love story, not just about romance, but also about emotions, decisions, and growing as a person. This is the story of a young man named Alex and the important relationships in his life. It all began when he met two very different but wonderful girls, Emma and Lily. My name is Alex. The story begins. I never expected to find myself in this kind of situation, torn between two amazing people who both mean so much to me. Alex met Emma during his last year of school. She had a quiet confidence that wasn't easy to notice at first, but once you saw it, you couldn't look away. She and Alex shared many things: a love of books, quiet afternoons, and deep talks about life. Their bond felt natural, even meant to be. Then, a year later, Alex met Lily at a friend's party. Lily was the opposite of Emma, bright, lively, and full of energy. She made him feel alive in a way he hadn't experienced before. They connected quickly and began spending more time together. Alex never meant for his feelings to get so complicated. He cared deeply for Emma, but Lily made him feel something exciting and new. He didn't want to hurt either of them, and more importantly, he didn't want to lie to himself. One day, while sitting with Emma at their favorite cafe, she quietly asked, "Are you okay? You seem distant lately." Alex lied and said he was fine. But the truth was, he was feeling guilty, especially because he hadn't told Lily about Emma. Eventually, Alex realized he couldn't live like that anymore. He needed to make a choice. The next day he spoke to Emma and told her everything. She didn't get angry. Instead, she gently told him, "You need to figure out what you want, not for me or Lily, but for yourself." Then he talked to Lily. She was sad but kind and told him, "Follow your heart, Alex." That was the moment he knew what to do. He chose Emma, not because Lily wasn't amazing, but because with Emma, he saw a future he truly believed in. After choosing Emma, things changed. He felt clear and ready to be fully committed. But healing took time. Emma struggled with trust, understandably. Alex knew he had to prove through actions, not just words, that he was in it for the long run. Life became comfortable again. Long walks, lazy Sundays, and quiet dinners brought them closer. But sometimes the past still popped up, like when they ran into Lily at a friend's party. It was awkward, but both Alex and Emma handled it with honesty and care. As life moved on, Alex started a new job. That's where he met Mia, a funny and friendly coworker. They quickly became friends, which caused small worries for Emma. She didn't say much at first, but Alex could feel it. Emma finally said, "I trust you, but I've been here before, with Lily." Her honesty reminded him of how important trust was. He made sure to create boundaries with Mia and kept his focus on Emma. Around the same time, Emma reconnected with an old college friend named Jake. They had history too, and it brought up some old feelings for her. But she talked openly with Alex, and together, they worked through their concerns. Then came Rachel, an old high school friend of Alex's. They caught up over coffee, and although he told Emma about it, old memories stirred inside him. Rachel later confessed she still had feelings for Alex. Alex met with her and gently told her the truth. "I care about you, but I've chosen Emma. That won't change." He told Emma everything. She appreciated his honesty, and it brought them closer. One evening, Emma brought up something new. Marriage. "Don't you think it's time we talk about what's next?" she asked. Alex smiled and said, "I want to be with you forever." I was just waiting for the right time to bring it up. They began planning their future together, dreaming about weddings, homes, and a shared life. Just as things seemed perfect, an old friend named Mark reappeared. He invited Alex on one final wild adventure before marriage, a road trip with old friends. At first, Alex was tempted, but after thinking deeply, he realized that wasn't who he was anymore. His priorities had changed. When he told Emma he was turning it down, she smiled and said, "I trust you, but if you ever want to go, I wouldn't stop you." He replied, "I don't need to. You're my adventure now." In the end, Alex and Emma stayed strong together. They had faced temptation, doubt, and challenges from their pasts. But through honest communication and commitment, they built something lasting. This love story isn't just about choosing between people. It's about choosing growth, trust, and the kind of love that's worth fighting for every single day. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.